Hi, I'm Jennifer Smith with the Smith team at Keller Williams Realty, and welcome to my video blog. Today we're going to talk about some of the least desirable features of a home. So many homeowners have lived in their home for at least a decade, and we can all agree that living in a home for a decade, definite preferences, buyer preferences, and styles have definitely come and gone. So here are some top features that you may want to consider changing in your home if in fact you're ready to put your home on the market. Number one, laminate countertops. They just are not a desired feature from a buyer. Buyers want to walk into a kitchen and they want to see granite or some sort of natural stone countertop. It's no longer a luxury item. It really is a must in selling any home. Number two, outdated bathrooms. You know, buyers want to move into a home that they don't have to do a lot of updating to. Fixing your bathrooms and just giving them a fresh look really appeals to a buyer. Number three, carpet on the main level. You know, buyers really don't like carpet on the main level anymore. They want to make sure that they walk in and they either have hardwood floors or tile so that it's easier maintenance and less for them to keep up with. And then number four, energy and efficiency. Buyers are really paying attention these days to making sure that the home that they live in is very high energy efficient. They want to make sure that they're not paying extra for the utility bills, and yet they can be comfortable in their homes. So making sure that your home is as energy efficient as possible is very desirable for a buyer. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking, oh, well, my home has some of those features, don't worry. Call me and let's talk about the renovations that could get you the highest return on your investment in fixing those items up. Call me today at 512-532-5550 or shoot us an email. Thank you again so much for watching my video today. I really look forward to hearing from you and have a great day.